Welcome you all for KLBiologyNEET children. In this video, we are going to discuss about WBC or leukocytes. In previous video, we discussed children which formed element does not have DNA. Yes, it is RBC only where we do not have nucleus and DNA also. Yes, now we will see WBC or leukocytes. Of course, it is 6000 to 8000 per cubic millimeter. As they do not have any pigment and no color, it is called WBC or white blood cells. And it is broadly classified into two criteria. One is called granulocytes, where we find granules, and agranulocytes. This granulocytes, first one we call it as the neutrophil. The percentage is 65 percentile. So this we have to remember children, that percentage, and you know the shape of the WBC will have many lobes. So you can find many lobes. Because of it, it is even called polymorphonuclear neutrophil. Polymorphonuclear neutrophil. As poly means many, morpho appearance, nucleus you can understand neutrophil, and it involved in phagocytosis process. You know, cell eating. So it will engulf the foreign material. Question will be asked, which are the cell involved in phagocytic process? It is neutrophil. And second one we are going to discuss is about eosinophil. So eosinophil is around some 2 to 3 percentile. And you can find the eosinophil, just remember children, like a headphone. So like a headphone you can find the eosinophil. The very common question with the eosinophil, which increase during allergic situation. So it increases during allergic situations. Eosinophilia. Okay, third one is basophil, which is also a granulocyte. And basophil, the least count of WBC is basophil, which is 0.521%. And basophil, you remember, it is a lobed structure. So you can find bilobe structure, and it is granulocyte, and it also secretes three components, which are heparin, histamine, and serotonin. So these three components are secreted by basophil. This is also a possible question. Now we finished granulocytes. Let us see agranulocytes. So agranulocytes, we have T lymphocytes. The nucleus will be very small and no granules you can find. Some 20 to 25% it will be. And T lymphocytes, this lymphocytes is broadly classified into two criteria. One is T lymphocytes, another one is B lymphocytes. T lymphocytes involved in cell mediated immunity. This you will be learning in higher classes children. In 12th standard you will have cell mediated immunity and all. And B lymphocyte, thereby it gives antibody mediated immunity. And next one is monocyte. Largest nucleus, or they may ask largest cell of WBC. Okay, count largest, you know, neutrophil, it is largest cell. So it is largest cell with the nucleus, 8%, and it also involved in phagocytosis. So this is regarding the WBC, and you know it is formed in the bone marrow only, children. Can you tell me during allergic situation which WBC count we are increasing? Can you post your answers in the comment box, children? Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe and support.